It's well known that the United States is sending several kinds of weapons to Ukraine to counter the Russian military. This includes things like Stinger man-portable air defense system, Javeline Anti Tank weapon, and AeroVironment Switchblade suicide drones. But the U.S. is doing even more. According to a report from the Wall Street Journal, the U.S. government is sending Soviet-era air defense systems in its possession to Ukraine. A specific system that the journal's sources have named is the 9K-33 OSA. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the U.S. is turning Russian-made 9K-33 OSA against Russian forces in Ukraine. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is a premium VPN service available for macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android, with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries. Your privacy is vulnerable to factors like data logging by internet service providers, and NordVPN is known for its zero-log policy. Your local content can be blocked based on your geolocation while traveling. For example, your favorite TV series can be limited to your local region when you're abroad. A VPN or virtual private network can help you to protect your privacy through an encrypted connection to its servers. With a broad range of servers in various countries, you can access websites that are not available in other countries. Also, it stops invasive trackers on browsers and scans URLs to warn users about malicious websites. Use the link in the description to get 71% off the 2-year plan, plus a gift from NordVPN. At the checkout, use the code DEFENSE to get an extra month for free. Viewers may note that the Russian systems are being pulled from the stock of foreign material that the U.S. military and intelligence community have obtained in various ways over the years for intelligence analysis and training purposes. As per the report, the U.S. government has already shipped several systems to Ukraine that had been in storage at the U.S. Army's Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama. U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster III cargo planes reportedly picked them up at an undisclosed airfield in the Huntsville area. The story notes that Redstone is home to the Army's Aviation and Missile Command, AMCOM, but it also hosts the Defense Intelligence Agency's, DIA, Missile and Space Intelligence Center, MSIC, which has an FME, or Foreign Material Exploitation role. Importantly, DIA serves as the key integration point for the Department of Defense's entire FME enterprise as well. The 9K-33 OSA, NATO reporting name SA-8 Gecko, is a highly mobile, low-altitude, short-range, tactical, surface-to-air missile system developed in the Soviet Union in the 1960s and fielded in 1972. It was developed in response to the U.S. Mauler SAM system. Later, the U.S. project ran into problems and was eventually canceled. OSA air defense system was used by motorized infantry units. Production stopped in 1989. The OSA was the first mobile air defense missile system incorporating its own engagement radars on a single vehicle. All versions of the 9K-33 feature all-in-one 9A-33 transporter launcher and radar vehicles, which can detect, track, and engage aircraft independently or with the air of regimental surveillance radars. The 6-wheeled transport vehicles, BAZ-5937, are fully amphibious and air transportable. The road range is about 500 kilometers or 310 miles. The 1S51 M3-2 radar system on the NK-33 OSA Telar received the NATO codename Landroll. It was derived from the naval Pop Group radar system, but is smaller since it does not require an elaborate stabilization system. The initial production version has 4 missiles. These had a maximum range of 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles and a maximum altitude of 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles. In the later production version, the OSA AK carries 6 missiles in containers. The maximum range increased to 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles. Missiles have contact and proximity fuses. Kill probability for the early production system is 35 to 85%, depending on altitude. On later production models, kill probability increased to 55 to 85%. The OSA cannot launch missiles on the move. It launches them from a stationary position or from shortstops. On either side of the tracking radar, there's a small parabolic dish antenna to track the missile. So up to 2 missiles can be guided simultaneously on a single target. Furthermore, both of these missiles are guided on different frequencies to complicate electronic countermeasures. Its radar has an acquisition range of about 30 kilometers or 18.6 miles, though some sources claim that it detects aircraft at a range of up to 40 kilometers or 25 miles. The system can search for targets while on the move. The tracking range is about 20 kilometers or 12.5 miles. It's to be noted that, unlike manpads, Ukrainian forces will need extensive training before they can use Western SAMs, which is not possible amidst this ongoing conflict. Hence, the best bet will be the Soviet or Russian-made systems that Ukraine already operates. In this situation, the foreign material exploitation stocks would enable the U.S. to provide additional air defense capabilities. It's been witnessed that many Russian aircraft, including Su-34, have resorted to low-altitude flights. Russian forces appear to have held back the precision-guided armaments that Russian attack aircraft, such as the Su-34, were designed to carry and can be deployed from high altitudes. The reason for doing so seems to be due to the fact that the Russian Air Force is lacking the required quantity of precision-guided munition, or PGMs, and are dependent on dumb bombs. Hitting a target with dumb bombs, which have no guidance, requires coming in low, and this makes aircraft vulnerable. While OSA is old, given the scenarios playing out, it could be effective, especially because it can be used independently, making it suitable for hit-and-run missions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.